unboxing video. I've been meaning to shoot this. Wait, here we go. We got this video for you guys today to show you the normal supply. I literally picked this up last year. I've been meaning, there's probably hair all over it. It's been literally been sitting for so long. I don't know why I never shot the video. I've just been so stressed for a whole year. I think it's been over a year now, a year and a couple months. I think I got this in like November maybe of last year. Okay, but yeah, some really exciting pieces that I wanted super bad. And I also got them, I think, discount or on sale or something like that. So I don't even remember by now. Boom, the main item that I wanted to pick up that I got is this Parra. Boom! I think it's like the sweet, I forget what it's called, like sweet shop or something. Because it's got this beautiful iced coffee design on it. I didn't realize it's actually a print. So it's probably not good that I left it all like crinkled up for a whole year long. You can even see on part of the print here, they sold me it. It's like broken right in the middle. You can see there's a little breakage in the print. Probably not good to leave it all crinkled up for an entire year long. This is the type of thing where you're supposed to leave it like nice and flat. I mean, it could have just been folded in my closet, but still, not good to have it folded all crappy like that. You can even see how, like, the material stuck to the design in some of the spots. Because I think it's like water-based ink, something like that, so it's supposed to last longer, but then it's probably not good to have stuff pressed against it. Because you can see throughout, the material's kind of pressed on it, but oh well. I did have it kind of crappily shoved in there, that kind of sucks. You can see the beautiful embroidery design on the front. Parra, one of my favorite companies. Beautiful embroideries, beautiful designs. I got a large for this sweater, this beautiful purple. 170 A23, so it came out last year. And I think, I forget, but I got it on sale for like 20% off, I think. And I think it was called like iced coffee, rushed sugar. Yeah, purple, the purple rushed sugar. It's like a pop or iced coffee, whatever you want to call it. And oh yeah, this is a nice heavyweight crew neck. I don't have enough crew necks. Made in Portugal. The Parra design, the beautiful font and all their like fun font, and then there's their like classic cursive font on the logo. Amsterdam, but this one's made in Portugal. They're based in Amsterdam. Super dope. That's why I just pick it up at, I basically saved like 50 bucks compared to buying it directly from the website, because normal has to pay all the duties more or whatever to get it here, instead of, because that's why I'm not going to order online. I don't want to pay all those duties. And then I got the sale on top. So this is just one of those items that I wanted for so long. Ooh! It'll even, the purple, it'll kind of go with the pants. Or I have purple pants, another shade of purple, like lavender, that'll go with this purple perfectly. Because as you can see, like even this has like the purple on it, so it's meant to be like a purple, a mixed with purple aesthetic. Ooh, look at the beautiful stitching. It looks like it's going to be nicely fitted too. I'll try this on in 1 second, because I want to show you guys the rest first. There's also a medium size Parra shirt with Maya's hair all over it. Another one from last season. This is another water print on the waves. I got this to match because I have the waves swim trunks. If you want to check out that video, maybe I'll put that video at the end or in the description. Wave block tremors. So this is super dope in like this pink colorway with this waves, and then this really dope like square design too. So this is super fire, and this is a medium, but it's huge. Parra usually fits oversized, but yeah, for the sweater, I even checked it out in store beforehand. Blah, 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 with Maya, because we used to go shopping in store all the time. When we used to live in the city, we used to go downtown. I'd bring it to this store because they'd let her, so we'd always go shopping. But yeah, I checked it out in store, and I saw that it actually was a bit more fitted, so I did get the large for that. Ooh! And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, so this is just a Parra haul. Wait, what's on the bottom? Oh! This is the holder for my umbrella, but this umbrella is gone now because, oh no, this umbrella's over in the closet over there. Nice. This is just a Parra haul. I forgot. Why didn't I record this Parra haul? Or why didn't I wear my Parra outfit? Oh well, that's why. I think I was waiting to wear my Parra outfit, and I never just ended up wearing my Parra outfit to record the video. But then I got this beautiful 3 different shades of blue, navy, light blue, with this blue Parra socks, and even wearing a pair of socks right now. They're so fire, probably like the best socks I've ever worn. So comfortable, like a beautiful cotton with this embroidery. Oh, one pair of amazing. That's even their motto on the front. Socks. I love the design of these two. I even kept the other packaging, and I had it like up on my wall before. They're made in Japan, specially knitted, made in Japan. To be amazing, especially for Parra for these socks. And it shows the perfect exact sizing per country on the back. I love the font, the design, like everything about Parra is so fire. And yeah, they're super comfy, like more wintry and more heavyweight, but like all season still works, just like cotton socks. So where did it say? 60% cotton, 20% acrylic, 9% polyester, spandex, 1%. What was I thinking to do next? There are doggies outside? Next, I have to try on the sweater to show everyone. I have to try on the stuff to show. Should I try it on right now? I may as well, dude. I'm not going to delay the video. What? Alright, let's show you guys. Okay, first, the Parra shirt. We tried this on, and yes, very, very big fitting. Very big. Can you even see the full thing? Very big. As you can see. Super comfy though. Like, this is crazy comfy. I love their t-shirts because they're perfect fitting. I think my other one's small. Is it small? My striped one? Because this is like, actually fits like a large, but like a perfect fitted large. Like, they have nice fitting, and I love their waterprint designs because they're not like hard. They're not like chunky. It's like very like breathable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like crack as you move it. Like it doesn't feel like it's like ice, kind of like, it feels like nice, like a wavy design. Ooh, like it actually feels more part of the print of the actual, because it is more, since it's like a water ink, it is more attached to the material. Like, it is more part of the material. That's what I'm trying to say. And then for the purple sweater, the piece de resistance, the main reason I even did this haul, why I went and splurged, because I was like, you know what, they have the sale, I needed to get this because I had my eye on it for like a whole year. I had my eye on it all last year, and I finally got it at the end of the year. What is on here? Some kind of like colors. Oh, I just spit on. Kind of like color splotching right there. Maybe that's part of where it was like sitting against the design, because there's some color splotching. Oh well. This is like a crazy perfect fitted crew neck, just like the Talking Terps one. It's actually like almost small. Like, it's almost like, even though it's a large, it's like, if I would have got a medium, it would have been way too small. That's weird how much of a difference the fitting is for the sweater, because I don't think I've tried their sweaters before. 100% cotton. Made in Portugal. Nice. Buyparra.com. I thought it was just Parra.com. It's by Parra? So fire. I love this one. And the purple goes with the outfit too, so yeah. It's dope. It's dope. Thanks for watching, everybody. And, you know, make sure to like and subscribe, because Maya's a crazy girl and she wants you to subscribe. Bye, everybody. She's like, no. Maya hair.
Is Sierra coming, Maya? Hey, little girl.